Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Eric from the St. Paul Pet Hospital. Today I'd like to just take a couple minutes of your time to educate and inform some of our feline owners about something that's really important. It's really dear to my heart and to all of my technicians and all of our staff, and really to any veterinarian that you talk to out there. And it's specifically regarding feline heartworm disease. A lot of my clients and a lot of our new cat owners and some of our owners that have had cats for years look at us and say, heartworm disease, I didn't understand that cats got heartworm disease. And most of us have heard of heartworm disease in dogs before, but for a lot of our feline clients, it's sort of new. This is new information. And it's not that this is new information. It's not that cats don't get heartworm disease. It's just that they manifest the disease entirely different than the way dogs do. Dogs typically get heartworm disease. They will start coughing, they start panting, they have respiratory distress. We diagnose the condition and we can find it, and then we can then treat it. In cats, it's totally different. Cats really don't show signs. They don't show clinical signs of heartworm disease, but when they do, it typically is very severe. They're in respiratory distress, and the most common clinical sign, unfortunately, of heartworm disease in cats is sudden death. And that sounds sort of hellfire and brimstone-ish to a lot of our clients, but that's the truth. And cats, like I said, they get heartworm disease the same way that dogs can. It's from exposure to mosquitoes, and indoor cats are exposed to mosquitoes as well. A lot of the mosquitoes that carry heartworm disease, specifically the species that do, like windowsills, they like hot areas, and many of us have seen mosquitoes in our houses before. So those indoor cats in particular are at risk for heartworm disease. In fact, just in the last year, of all the cats that were submitted to pathology labs in the United States, the cats that died from heartworm disease were 25% of those cats that died from heartworm disease were exclusively indoor cats. So I always talk to all of our clients about making sure that we're getting monthly heartworm prevention on our cats in the form typically of a topical product. And the product we like to use at our hospital is called Revolution. We like this product because it also does flea prevention and a couple intestinal parasites, and it works really well. And you'll probably hear one of our staff members or someone talking to you about it, if not me. When you're in next time, ask some questions about it. I would be welcome to answer any questions. This isn't a video that is intended for you to come rushing in and buying heartworm prevention. I'd really like to start some dialogue with some of our clients and talk about this and what is the real risk and what's the associated risk, because a lot of people think that because their cat's inside all the time, they're protected, but our walls of our house protect our cats from things that can come inside, and that's just not the case. And a pound of prevention is worth 100 pounds of cure, and we've heard that time and time again. And there's really no excuse for not protecting them. So just a couple bits of information. I hope that was informative for some of our feline owners. If you guys have questions, feel free to give us a call at the hospital or talk to me when we're in an exam. I'm Dr. Eric from the St. Paul Pet Hospital, and I hope that was informative. Thank you very much.